In this video, we will be replacing the battery in the key fob for this 2012 Ford F150. If we take a look at our key fob, we can see that there is a small divot in the corner of the key fob near the alarm button. We want to use a flathead screwdriver, or you could use a coin and gently open that up and work that around until the key fob separates. We can then remove the dust shield and place that aside and gain access to our battery. We have a CR2032 battery that we can work out easily. And then double check that our new battery is also that CR2032. We can unwrap that and get ready to reinstall that back into our key fob. We then want to realign that little dust cover inside our key fob before we close that, and we can flip that over and snap that together, making sure it gets fully connected all the way around. And lastly, we can test it out.